let's go.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. The extra thing here that's going to happen, you might well get this thing in here, a surd, you can simplify it. Okay? So, an extra thing to think about, we'll come over here. If, for example, you get that thing in there comes out as the square root of 28, with surds you have to think about your square numbers. Can I divide it by a square number? So, busy remembering your square numbers, and so on. Can you divide it by a square number? Yes, you can divide it by 4. So that thing you could actually write, so the process to simplify that would be that you write it as 4 times 7, and then you think, actually, I can split that up. It's root 4 root 7, and then you think, actually, hang on, I know the square root of 4. So that thing can actually be 2 root 7. Okay? So you're busy simplifying it down. Which is why the book has said you're going to do it as a number, the whole number, be it positive or negative, plus or minus another number, square root, whatever is under the square root. Okay? So we happen to be, on our example over here, we just happen to be that there's an invisible 1. We don't need to write the 1. Okay? So we are in the format a plus or minus b root n. Okay? Do you want to go through another example over here, just for good practice? Moving that one down. The square root of 72. I'm picking this one because there's several ways you can do it. Can we divide it by a square number?
36.
You can divide it by 36. Oh, top answer. Okay, so we can write that as root 36 root 2, which comes all the way down to 6 root 2, because the square root of 36 is 6. Okay, had Sophie not have thought of 36, was anyone thinking of a different square number? 9. 9 is on our list. So we could have done, instead, written it as root 9, 9 times 8, isn't it? Okay? Oh, I'm even skipping steps up here. So root 9, root 8, and then you'd have gone, what's that, 3 root 8? But then you'd probably looked at it and go, well, why is it, it's different? Have I done it wrong? No, you haven't. You can just continue. You know, like when you cancel your fractions down, you go, cancel it, and you go, can I continue? You can continue here. Can you divide it by a square number? Yes. Divide it by 4. So we can continue. So that's 3 root 4 root 2, or in other words, I'm going to run out of room. 3 times 2, 3 times 2 root 2, or in other words, 6 root 2, and it matches with that one. We didn't think so much here. We went for the obvious one, the 9, and it took a little bit longer to cancel down, but we got to the same answer in the end. So you've just got the choice there of, do you spend a little bit longer thinking of the best or the biggest square number to divide it by, or do you go for the most obvious one and take a bit longer? Does that make sense? Yep. So root 72, you were thinking of that. Yeah, I'm with you. So then that one would go 2 root 18, and then you go, oh, hang on, there's a 9. So you could do that one as 2 root 9 root 2, or in other words, 2 times 3, back to the same thing. Happy there?